Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of a Minecraft, or should I say it, exploration craft video. So I'm just here getting some this wood. This wood is very useful. Oh, how about I just leave this wood? Woody. But are you asking why do I need wood? I need wood because I need loads of fences. Now you are asking why do I need fences? For something. Carrots. Carrots. I'm gonna sleep at home. Oops. Ah! In the magical way. Ha! Escape from that silly Willis. You have not recognized something suspicious now. Why can't I go to bed? There we go. And now I'm just gonna do this. Okay, everyone. Now that I have enough wood, I can make fences. Fancy. Okay, I just freeze there for a minute then, but I should put in my food supply. Wait, I don't need a sapling, but I do need my carpet. I'm gonna dig, but it's not a brown carpet. Just see, it makes carpets. It's on the wall. Carpet. Oh. It's raining carpets. But there's one on the roof. Oh. Where's my magic carpet. Woohoo! Carpets are so much fun! So yeah, this is what I'm being showing you about. I need those fences, and I need these carpets, that I have enough carpets in my chest to make a feast. So that's why I need all the carpets, and that's why we will meet next episode. Yeah. So okay, everyone, I will see you all, and please give me a and please check out my videos. I will give a link to a description in YouTube. And goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to you.